All right, sixth graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR 16. It says Zach burns 50 calories for every 10 minutes he rides his bike. He burns 175 calories in 25 minutes when running on the treadmill. Which exercise will help Zach burn more calories after an hour? All right, the first thing I'm going to do for each of these is to find a unit rate. So let's look for when he rides his bike. We're going to do calories compared to minutes. So I'm going to do calories over minutes equals calories over minutes. So 50 calories in 10 minutes. How many calories in just 1 minute? That would be my unit rate. So I'm going to first figure out how many calories he burns per minute. If he's burning more calories per minute, he's going to be burning more calories per hour. So then I look at my denominators. How do I get from 10 to 1 using multiplication or division? I divide that by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 50 divided by 10 is 5. So for when he rides his bike, he burns 5 calories every minute. Now I could take that and tell you how many calories he would burn in an hour. Now I could do 5 calories in 1 minute. In an hour, there's actually 60 minutes. So I could do how many calories in 60 minutes. 1 times 60 is 60. 5 times 60 is 300. So if they were asking how many calories he burns riding his bike in an hour, he would be burning 300 calories in an hour. So now let's talk about his treadmill. For his treadmill, again, we're going to do calories over minutes. And the first thing I'm going to do is figure out how many calories he burns in just 1 minute. I know he burns 175 calories in 25 minutes. So I put that fact on one side of my proportion. On the other side, I'm asking you how many calories can he burn in just 1 minute. That will give me his rate in calories per minute. How do I get from 25 to 1? Divide by 25. So what do I have to do with the 175? I have to divide that by 25. So I could long divide off to the side, but I'm just going to say 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175. I believe I just did that 7 times. So I can tell you with his treadmill, he's burning 7 calories every minute. And trust me, if he's burning 7 calories every minute with his treadmill, and he's only burning 5 calories every minute riding his bike, his treadmill is definitely going to burn more calories after an hour. Oops, sorry about that. His treadmill will definitely burn more calories after an hour. If you're asking me, well, how many calories will he burn on the treadmill in an hour? I could set up calories over minutes. Calories over minutes. 7 calories in just 1 minute. How many calories in 60 minutes? I would multiply the denominator by 60, which means I have to multiply my numerator by 60. 7 times 60, he'd actually burn 420 calories in an hour. And the only reason I broke them both down to a unit rate was to make the math a little bit easier. If I had jumped right from here and tried to get 25 to 60, you might have a hard time knowing what to multiply 25 by to get to 60. So I chose a unit rate first, telling how many per minute, and after that it's fairly easy to multiply by 60, and that'll tell you how many calories, in an hour or 60 minutes. I hope that helps. So treadmill was definitely burned more calories. Which exercise will help him burn more calories? The treadmill. He burns 420 calories in an hour on that, as opposed to only 300 calories on his bike. Hope that helps.